What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Total Off-Road. Tim Bolden here. I want to show you guys something that we're doing to this truck right here. This is a 2024 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. This is a 1500 size truck. We've got some things we're going to do to it. This is for Steve Raymond Chevrolet. The truck looks pretty good from the factory, right? It's got nice wheels. It's got Goodyear Wrangler tires. It looks pretty good. But here's the deal. This is not the size that we roll at when we're at Total Off-Road. We like to upgrade our stuff. We were able to do that for Steve Raymond. They're gonna love the way it looks. But let me show you guys what's going on here before we get started. We have a brand new Silverado Trail Boss here. It looks super good from the factory. I mean, check this out. You got a nice little cowl there, looking super nice. It's got all black accents. And even when you come to the back of the truck, everything is nice and blacked out. Check out the bumper. There's no chrome besides the tips there. And there's a little logo right there that says Trail Boss for those that don't know exactly what edition this is. But let me show you guys what we're doing on the inside. So we are actually taking out all of the cloth interior and installing leather. We've already done one seat, and I can pretty much say we've done a pretty good job on that one. So I'm excited to see how the other seats come out. Got a couple of things in here. I'm not too sure exactly what that is at the moment, but we're gonna open that up later and figure out what it is. We also have two 75/65/18 Goodyear Wrangler tires. Now we're gonna take those off and we're gonna put something a lot bigger. We're also gonna put a lift on this vehicle. It's gonna be tastefully done and it's gonna drive as good as possible as it can with a lift. A lot of vehicles that get lifts don't drive well after it's done, but at Total Off-Road, we make sure that it is installed correctly and that the vehicle is dialed in so that when you're going down the road, you're not worried about it feeling weird or anything. We want to make sure that our customers are completely satisfied with what we give them. All right, guys, let's get back to the shop and get this truck fixed up. Let's get to it. All right, guys, welcome back to Total Off-Road. We've got the Silverado done, and I gotta be honest, it looks really good. So let's get to it. So let's just start with the look of this thing. This thing looks absolutely incredible. Already it's blacked out. Again, Trail Boss, but we made it a little bit better. So we added side steps. We have added wheels and tires. We're running 35-inch tires now. Check out the tread on this tire. This is going to make sure that it's not too loud on the road, but it's also going to provide the right bite when you're off-roading. And to support this whole setup, we have a ready lift upper control arm. That's going to make sure that the control arm is not pinching the ball joint and you're not going to have any issues. A lot of guys would try to put a little 3-inch lift, which is what this has on this vehicle. It's going to drive completely stock. I've already driven it. It drives incredible. You can't tell it's lifted besides being actually higher. We've got the old tires sitting in the back of the vehicle right there, and the owner or the dealer is going to take care of those, but off with the old, in with the new. The tire and rim choice was absolutely perfect. Check out the clearance. Nothing too much. It's not sticking out 4 or 5 inches. You don't want water and all kind of mud splashing all over your vehicle, scratching your paint and whatnot. Now we're going to go to the interior, and I want to show you guys what we've done inside. Check out the interior here, folks. So this vehicle came with stock cloth interior. We went ahead and put leather seating. The dealership or the customer wanted it, and we did a great job. Check out the rear here. I must say myself, the interior and the rear looks super great. The leather is really nice quality. Cat Skins is a premium leather supplier. They take care of us and we take care of them. You're not gonna have any problems with your leather. It's not gonna rip, it's not gonna tear. It's high quality. As you can see right now, it has a little bit of wrinkle in it, but this all goes away once you break it in. Remember, leather has to form, it has to stretch, and that's exactly what's gonna happen here, and it's gonna look super good. I just want you guys to remember that this whole build happened in less than 24 hours. Honestly, it was like 12 hours. So we got it in, got it done, got it taken care of. Now the dealership's gonna come back and grab it and take it with them and make a happy customer. So we got some crazy things happening on Total Off-Road. I can't wait to put more stuff together for you guys. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you want something like this done, I'm gonna put a link down below and you can go to Total Off-Road and get anything you want done. We will talk to you guys and we'll make it happen. So see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.